Doctor, we are here to bust myths. So let me start with the most basic one of all. We've all been told repeatedly that this is a hereditary disease. Is this a myth or the truth?
It's a partial truth. It's not the full truth. The full truth is that you have the power to reverse your diabetes despite both your parents having it. And it's not only me who's saying this is what science is also opening up to. Just to give a little deeper perspective, our chromosomes, let's say this sleeve of mine is like a chromosome. It has the genes written on it in terms of my parents having diabetes. That gene is dormant. It is a sleeping gene. It's covered up with something called as a regulatory protein. Okay. Now, when the conditions become conducive with your belly coming out, with a lot of stress, a lot of inflammation inside the body and many causes, there is actually an interaction between the protein of the cell membrane, which is on the outer side of the cells, with the protein on the chromosomes. And with that interaction, this regulatory protein, which is governing this dormant, which is sleeping gene, uncovers, and then this gene expresses itself of diabetes. So sum and substance, it's a gene which can be switched on and switched off by you. And there's a Harvard medical cellular biologist also who has explained in great detail, okay, Dr. Bruce Lipton, beautiful book, Biology of Belief, of how our beliefs, how our emotions, how our overall environment inside the body makes us more and more conducive to expressing diseases which we carry genetically. Genetically, we are carrying cancer. Genetically, we are carrying everything. All the diseases in the world we are carrying genetically, but whether we should express it or not is a lot up to us. So being it hereditary, partial truth, don't use it as an excuse to remain a diabetic is what I would communicate to everyone in simple language beyond all the technical scientific stuff. Don't use it as an excuse.